Morning of the race. Rainy, nasty. Ooh. Look at that. I'm gonna be running 30K in this. Yikes. Good morning, team. Well, today I am running the Salem Lake Trail Race. I'm doing a 30K run, which is a little over 18 miles. It has been raining for the past several days, as you can tell, and it's continued to rain, and it will be raining all day long today, which makes it for a very muddy and slushy run. I don't normally run in the rain. I'm always trying to, I guess I would say I'm a fair weather triathlete. But as you know, you grow in the sport and you want to be a bit more well-rounded. Bad weather is something to be expected and something to get used to. So today would be a good day for that. I just picked up this race fairly recently. The goal for this race is primarily to work on nutrition. It's something that I have not put enough time in, but nutrition is so important. You know, when you do an endurance race, you need to have adequate fuel. Your body only stores about 90 minutes worth of glycogen storage for you to use for active exercising. And so if you don't fuel appropriately, and once you run out of that glycogen storage, you won't be able to do much. They call it bonking, or hitting the wall, meaning that you don't have enough sugar to help fuel the cells for its activity. So today I'm just going to try to make sure I consume adequately and see how my body feels after the race. Time is not all that important. It's just how adequately fueled am I. I normally do not eat anything in the morning because I usually have stomach upset. So typically I normally start my exercise fasting. But I'm trying to see if I can start to incorporate early breakfast into my routine, so that way I can have some energy topped off, I guess. Well, I got up early this morning around close to 5 o'clock, 4:50 something, and try to eat some breakfast. It didn't go well. Got my stomach really upset. I was on the toilet throughout most of the morning. This body just doesn't like it. So that's gonna be difficult. I guess I gotta train to eat in the morning. Can you believe that? Train to eat. But if you wanna get good at something, you gotta work at it. Anyhow, let's continue to head towards the lake and go from there. So the sun is starting to come up. It looks beautiful. Okay, let's take a look at the dock. Gorgeous. It's gonna be a wet one. I'm excited. My stomach is less crampy now, so at least that's good. Let's go. our 30K in the rain. Hang out with the buddy gang. Oh yeah, we're gonna have fun. It's gonna be a slush fest. Let's do this. Oh yeah. It's raining. Nasty. Should be good. All right, race recap. Just did my 18 point something miles, 30K in the rain around Salem Lake, my favorite place to run. I aimed for sub 3, didn't quite make it. It was like 3:02, I think. Well, at least according to my watch anyhow. And yeah, but it was really good. It's really wet and quite muddy, so I really was trying to be extra careful not to slip and fall, which I was successful in that. And yeah, I mean the weather was humid, but it was definitely doable, quite enjoyable. Yeah, pretty good. That was fun. Slow but fun. Got my beer. Trying to not get into the car quite yet because I'm gonna get all cramped up. But yeah, check it out. Mud. So nasty. Way to go! You did it!